we're going to be practicing our calendar routine. Now, some of us may be doing this on the first day of school from home, and others may be doing this on the second day of school from home. So it's going to be a little bit different, but we're just going to talk about today how to do it. So this is your calendar folder right here, and on the front of it is September. Now, September 1st, which is right here, September 1st, none of us were in school. But we're going to start our pattern by coloring this in red. You may have done this already, so then you do not have to do it again. Now we're going to start to look, pretending like this is the first day of school. We're going to try to figure out what the date is. So if this was September 1st, then this day right here, the Wednesday, is September 2nd. Second means 2. So I'm going to write the number 2 right there. I also want to continue to work on my pattern. So I have red, and then the next color I'm going to use is green. The pattern we're going to work on this month is an A-B pattern, which means it changes every other. So if I have red, green, this one would then be red. So if you're working on this day, you would color this box in red. And if this was September 2nd, then Thursday would be September 3rd. So that's how we work on our calendar. Now, don't put your calendar away because you're going to need it to help you with the next part of our calendar routine. We're going to work on this calendar sheet. So let me show it to you. At the very top of the sheet, you're going to write your name in your best handwriting. So I'm Miss Dodd, so I'm going to write it at the top. I'm going to continue to practice this for the first day of school, but this might be the second day of school for you. And if it is, then you're just going to use your calendar to help you fill out the correct information. So looking at my calendar here, this says September blank 2020. So I'm going to look at my calendar and I'm going to try to figure out what number goes here. My calendar is telling me that it's September 2nd, 2020. Some of you might be doing this on September 3rd, so you'd write that number there. Now, we still need our calendar to help us with the next part. These are the days of the week. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'm going to look at my calendar to help me figure out what day of the week it is. So right above the 2 is Wednesday. So I'm matching that up. And I also know Wednesday starts with the whoop sound. So I'm going to color in Wednesday because that is the day of the week. Now we're going to be talking a lot about weather in kindergarten. So we are going to right now stop, look outside, and try to figure out what the weather is today. The weather might be cloudy, it might be rainy, it might be sunny, but I'm going to show you an example. We're going to pretend like it's sunny today. So I looked outside, I saw it was sunny, and I circled it. It may be sunny. Then you can see the detail of this drawing for what you might wear on a sunny day. I'm noticing that this boy, he has on a shirt and shorts and flip-flops because it is sunny and warm outside. Some days are not sunny and warm. So let me show you an example of what you might wear if it was snowy out. Look at the details here. We have boots on and long pants and a coat and gloves. This would be an outfit that somebody might wear if it was snowy. Usually, though, in September, it is not snowy. It's probably pretty warm. The next thing we're going to do after we finish that part, the next thing you'll do on your own is try to figure out what number of the school day it is. So we like to count in kindergarten how many days we've been kindergartners. So friends, this might be the first day we were in kindergarten, but it might also be the second day. So if you have another sheet like this in your folder, you would look to try to see if there's a number of the day in there. But I'm practicing this for the first day of school. So I know that the number of the day is 1. If you were already in school and you had this paper, the number of the day would be 2. So now my number of the day is 1, and I wrote the number 1. Sometimes I like to show numbers in different ways. So the way I'm going to also draw it in this box is just a 1 circle. I'm going to color it in. And that's all that we do for our calendar routine. So you can stop the video now and go work on your calendar sheet and your calendar folder.